Constipation is where you do not have a bowel movement for 3 days or more, or when you do have a bowel movement, it is very hard to pass stool. Constipation is typically caused by not enough fiber or not enough fluids in your diet. Most Americans only get about half of the fiber intake that they need per day, and fiber will help keep stools soft and easy to pass. So some of your best sources of fiber are fruits and vegetables, but also whole grains as well. Ground flaxseed can be another way to increase fiber in your diet. So you should definitely see a doctor if it's been 7 days or more, or if every bowel movement you're having to strain and push and you're having a small amount of stool. If you're suffering from constipation, you can start with your primary care provider and make an appointment from there. They can give you some tips, tricks, and potentially some medications to help soften your stool. And if things are severe enough, sometimes you'll end up seeing a GI specialist.